Hi, I'm Jack, and this is Jack's Vintage Moto Videos. These are carburetor jets here, and they go into a variety of different carbs. But some of these have teeny tiny holes in them. I mean, really small holes. When you're rebuilding a carburetor, you need to get these holes cleaned. You can soak them in solution, but at the end of the day, you have to pick through them. Here's several carburetor cleaning tools that I've accumulated, and they all have these little small rods that poke through to clean jets, but none of these will get through the really little jet holes. What I've done is I've developed a technique where I take an old cable end, a thin cable. This is from a speedometer drive, so it's not a big cable like you would have for a clutch cable or a brake cable. These are small, thin cables. I then take one single wire, peel it off of the end, get a clean edge on it, and this will poke through and clean a jet very well. And there you can see the wires made it through the jet. So that has opened the hole. Now what I'll do is sometimes is soak it and let a little bit of carb cleaner get on the inside of this. This is a product here called Berryman's Carb Cleaner. I'll pour some in a little stainless steel bowl, and then after I get the jet cleared, poked through, I'll go ahead, drop this into the Berryman's, let it soak. Another product that you can use is Carb Jet Cleaner or Carb Choke Cleaner, and you can blast that through there, but make sure you have eye protection on because it's going to go in every direction possible. This is an old cable. This cable it is a gray finish, which is nice, but it's exceeded its life. It's all broken up and cracked, so this is going in the trash bin. But what I'll do is I'll take the end, and you see how it's got this lead slug that's wired onto the end? I'll go ahead, cut that off, and then peel off a single wire off of the end of it. And that is a very tiny wire. Thanks for watching Jack's Vintage Moto Videos. If you like what you saw, hit the like button and please subscribe. Take care and have a good day.